Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and our today's topic is algebraic identities with example. There are total 8 identities which we will see in this video, and these 8 identities you need to memorize it, okay? The first identity we are going to start with is a plus b the whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Repeat after me. A plus b the whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Let's see this identity with the help of an example. The first example is x plus 3 the whole square. Okay. So as you can see over here, x plus 3. So let's take our a is equal to x and our b is equal to 3. So wherever I will see x a in my identity, I will substitute x, and wherever I will see b in my identity, I will substitute 3. So first write identity a plus b the whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So as I said earlier, wherever I will see a, I will write x. So writing x plus 2 times a means x. So I will write x. B means 3. That means we will write 3 plus 3 the whole square. X times x gives me x square plus 2 times 3 gives me 6, and 6 times x gives me 6x plus 9. So our final answer is x square plus 6x plus 9. Okay, easy. Moving on to our next identity, which is the vice versa of a plus b. Second identity says a minus b the whole square. That means a square minus 2ab plus b square. The only difference between these two identities is this minus sign. Our plus sign is there in the middle term for a plus b. Our minus sign is there for our identity a minus b. So for this, let's have an example which says 2a minus b 3b the whole square. So as you can see this example, our a will be considered as 2a and our b will be considered as 3b. So whenever I will see a, I will substitute 2a, and wherever I will see b, I will substitute 3b. Write your identity a minus b the whole square says a square minus 2ab plus b square. So wherever I will see a, I will write 2a the whole square minus 2 times 2a times 3b plus 3b the whole square. Now 2 times 2, that means 2 square. So 4a square, a times a gives me a square minus 2 times 2, 4, and 4 times 3, 12. A times b gives me ab plus 3 times 3, that means 3 square, 9. B times b, that means b square. So our final answer is 4a square minus 12ab plus 9b square. Okay. So we got our final answer as 4a square minus 12b plus 9b square. Moving on to our third identity, which says a square minus b square equals to a plus b times a minus b. Again, a square minus b square says a plus b, a minus b. Now this time our example is slightly different. We have to move from RHS to LHS. Okay, as you can see over here, 3 minus 2x and 3 plus 2x. This resembles your identity a plus b and a minus b. That means you need to reach on a square minus b square. So let's first write our what is a. So in our case, our a is 3, and in our case, our b is 2x. Next step, write your identity. What's your identity? A square minus b square is equals to a plus b and a minus b. So in our case, what is our a plus b and a minus b? It's 3 minus 2x and it's 3 plus 2x. So from right hand side to left hand side, it means 3 the whole square minus b means 2x the whole square. 3 times 3 means 3 square equals to 9 minus 2 times 2 means 4x the whole square. So our final answer is 9 minus 4x the whole square. Okay, clear? Moving on to our fourth identity, which says x plus a is equal to x square plus a plus b times x plus ab. Okay, so solving our equation with the help of an example. So as you can see over here, let's take our x, say x because it's x only. Our a is 3 and our b is 5. As you can see over here, there is minus sign in front of 3. So we will take it as negative 3. So our x is x, our a is minus 3 and our b is 5. So let's substitute all these things in our identity. As your identity says, x plus a times x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b times x plus ab. Okay, so let's substitute all our values. That means x the whole square plus minus 3 plus 5 times x plus minus 3 times 5. Okay, so x times x means x square plus minus plus minus, that means 5 minus 3 gives me 2, positive 2x plus 3 times 5, that means minus 15. It gives me negative 15. Solving it, I get x square plus 2x minus 15. Okay, you can solve this thing by using your identity, as well as this sum can also be solved by another method which I am going to show you here. Let's write our example x minus 3 and x plus 3. What you can do over here, if you don't want to use your identity, you can simply split your bracket. That means break your bracket. So I am breaking my first brackets into x. Now substitute your second bracket which says x plus 5. Now take your remaining bracket which is minus 3 and again your x plus 5. I repeat this method again. As you are having two brackets over here, split one bracket. So we first took first half of our bracket, that is x, times the whole bracket which is second. Next part of our bracket, negative 3 times the whole bracket. So x times x gives me x square plus 5x minus 3x. X times 5 gives me 5x, minus 3 times x gives me negative 3x, minus plus minus and 3 5s are 15. So I will get x square, as this both are our like terms, positive and negative, plus minus minus, you will get positive 2x minus 15. As you can see over here that our both the brackets are same. So you can go by identity as well as you can take this bracket method as well. Moving on to our fifth identity, which says x plus y plus z the whole square equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, again, here first of all there are three terms x, y and z. The whole square gives us first time x square, y square, z square. Then 2xy, 2yz and 2zx. That means first two terms, then second, third, then third and first. So let's solve this. So in our case, a will be now as our identity is x format, we will say our x is x, our y is for our equation, our x is 2x, our y is minus y, and our z is z. Why I have taken this as negative y? As you can see clearly over here that my identity is completely in positive terms. There is no negative terms used over here. But my example, I am having the middle term in my having negative sign. So, whatever sign it is used, you have to take that sign along with your term. So, let's substitute this terms in our identity. As our identity says, x plus y plus z the whole square equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So let's substitute in this. X means 2x. So wherever I will write x, I will substitute my 2x the whole square plus, instead of y, I will substitute my minus y the whole square plus z means z, that means z the whole square plus 2 times x means 2x. So I will write 2x and y means negative y. So I will write negative y plus 2 times negative y times z plus 2 times z times, what is my x? My x is 2x. Okay. So solve this. 2 times 2 means 4x square. Now as you can see, you are having your even power degree, and as we taught earlier, as we have seen earlier in earlier videos, whenever there is even degree sign, your negative signs disappear. That means minus becomes plus. So you will get positive y square plus z times z, that means z square. Now as you can see over here, there is a positive sign and negative sign. So first of all, plus minus gives me minus. 2 times 2 is 4. So you will write 4. And x times y gives me x and y. That means xy. Again, positive times negative. That means negative. 2 times y times z. That means 2yz. And there is no negative sign over here. That means you will get your answer in positive. 2 2s are 4. And z times x gives me zx. So my final answer is 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4zx. Okay, clear? Practice hard so that you can clearly understand it. Moving on to our sixth identity, which says x plus y the whole cube. Earlier we saw x plus y the square. Now here we are saying x plus y the whole cube. Learn your identity. X cube plus y cube plus 3xy times x plus y. This identity can further be written as x cube plus y cube plus, as you can see over here, 3xy times x gives me 3x square y plus 3xy times y gives me 3xy the whole square. Okay. So whatever is comfortable with you, you can use this or either this. Whatever you are comfortable with, you can use on. So in this case, let's consider what is our x. So my case, my x will become 2x and my y will become 1. So substitute all your values in your identity. Write down your identity first. X plus y the whole cube equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy times x plus y. As you can see over here, my identity is positive. My whole term is also in positive. Now substitute your values. What is my x? My x is 2x. 2x cube plus 1 cube plus 3 times. What is my x again? It's 2x. What is my y? It's 1. Bracket 2x plus 1. Now solve this bracket. 2 cube. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So you will write 8x cube plus 1 times 1 times 1. That means 1 cube is equal to 1. Now, as you can see over here, 3 times 2 is 6 and 6 times 1 is 6. So you will get 6x bracket 2x plus 1. What thing you should remember over here? These are not my like terms. There is a 2x and there is 1. These are not your like terms. That means you can't add 2 plus 1. So you will simply write it as 2x plus 1. Further solving this bracket, you will get 8x square cube plus 1 plus. Now, as you can see over here, bracket means there is a multiplication you should do over here. 6 times 2 gives you 12. X times x gives you x square plus 6x times 1 gives you 6x. So, your final answer is 8x cube plus 1 plus 12x square plus 6x. Again, you can arrange them in ascending order or descending order as well. So let's arrange it in a degree format. 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. Continuing with this equation only, I have one example with a rational form. Okay. So write the formula, write your identity first. Your identity says x plus y the whole cube equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy times x plus y. Now decide what is your x and what is your y. So in this case, my x will be 3 by 2x and my y will be 1. Clear? This is my rational format. We have done this a simple format example. Now there is another example with rational forms. Okay. So let's solve this. Wherever I will see x, I will write 3 by 2 x the whole cube plus 1 the whole cube plus 3 times. What is my x? My x is 3 by 2 times x into 1 bracket 3 by 2x plus 1. So let's solve this. 3 times 3 times 3, that means 3 cube. 27. So you will get 27 by 2 cube, that means 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8 x cube plus 1 plus, as you can see over here, 3 times 3, that means you will get 9 x by 2. 3 3s are 9 and 9 1s are 9. So you will get 9x by 2 and this bracket again you will do as it is 3x plus 1. Further solving this you will get, first of all, 27 by 8 x cube plus 1 plus, as you can see over here, 9x will get multiplied by this 3 by 2. 9 3s are 27. X times x gives me x square and 2 times 2 gives me 4. So your next term is 27 by 4x square plus 9x by 2 times 1 gives me 9x by 2. So you can arrange this in degrees format as well as you can arrange them as it is. Moving on to our next identity, which says the reciprocal of this. First we seen x plus y. Now we are seeing x minus y the whole cube. What does this identity says? This identity says x minus y the whole cube equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy times x minus y. The thing you will see over here is as my minus sign is there, the whole term over here is also used minus only. Okay. So let's solve this equation. So for my x will become x and for my y My y is 2 by 3 times y. Okay, so wherever I will see x, I will substitute x. And wherever I see y, I will substitute 2 by 3y. Let's solve this with the help of identity. What is my identity? My identity is x minus y the whole cube equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy times x minus y. Now, this identity can further be solved. How? So, you can also write x cube minus y cube minus 3 x times x gives me x square and y. So, this will become minus 3x square y when you multiply this term with x. Now, minus minus, this negative term is getting multiplied by y. So, minus minus will get plus and you will get 3 times xy the whole square. So, whatever is comfortable with you, you can go with that either first or either second. So, let's go with the first one. In my case, what is my x? So, it's x. So, I will write x the whole cube minus, instead of y, I will write 2 by 3 y the whole cube minus 3 times. What is my x? So, it's x. What is my y? So, you will write 2 by 3 y. Okay. And another bracket, you will write x minus 2 by 3 y. Now, let's solve this. X cube means you will get your answer x cube minus 2 cube means 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8 by 27 y cube minus. Now, as you can see over here, I have my 3 in numerator, I have my 3 in denominator. So, you can cancel this 3. So, what answer you will get? 2 xy times x minus 2 by 3 y. Okay. Now, solve this bracket as there is bracket over here. So, you will get your answer x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 2 into x, and this x is getting multiplied. So, you will get 2x square y, and this minus minus gives me positive. This negative and negative sign gives me positive. 2 times 2 gives me 4 by 3 xy square. So, my final answer is x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 2x square y plus 4 by 3 xy square. Moving on to the last, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This identity says x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to x plus y plus z times x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus zx. This slightly resembles your first identity, but it's slightly different. Okay. So, first of all, let's take this identity with the help of example. So, my example over here says 27y x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. So, as you can see over here, my 27 is a cube. Whose cube root is 27? So, you can, instead of writing x, you can write over here 3x, because 27 is the cube root of 3. So, you will write 3x. Plus, as you can see over here, y is the cube root of y. So, instead of writing y, you will write only y. For z also, you will write only z. Now, let's substitute all these terms in my identity. First of all, write your identity. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z times x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay. So, Let's substitute all our terms in our identity. So what is my x? My x is 3x. So I will write 3x plus what is my y? So it's y plus z. Next, 3x square. That means you will write your 3x the whole square plus y square. Why I am writing bracket inside bracket? So that I will remember that I need to solve this term again. Plus z the whole square minus what is my x? So it's 3x times y, then y times z, then z times 3x. Okay. Now move on to the next step, which says first term there is nothing to change. So you will write as it is 3x plus y plus z. Now there is change. There is solution left with the brackets over here. 3x the whole square. That means you will get your answer 9x square plus y square plus z square. Okay. Now solve this again. There is negative sign. So you will first write your negative. Then 3xy. Then minus yz. And minus 3 times x in z gives me 3xz. So here we have seen total 8 identities, and I hope you will practice hard and remember all the 8 identities. I hope you understand and join us again in the next video. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe.